Hello, Mike Daniels here with Rancho Coastal Properties, and today I want to show you 888 Channel Island Drive in Encinitas, California 92024. It's a 5-bedroom, 4.5-bath home with terrific ocean views and 3-car garage with EV charger. Has a very open floor plan. We'll get to that in just a minute. So this is bedroom number 1 on the first floor, full bath. This is walking into the main living space. I'm in the dining room right now, looking out over the rest of the living room and the kitchen. These countertops are beautiful. It's called Labradorite. Almost has like an opal to it. Large open area, fireplace, multi-folding door that leads out to the outside. Because of this video, you really can't tell how good the ocean view is, but there's a lot of view out there. Sit down, unobstructable. Got a fire pit out here. Let's go take a look upstairs. It's the laundry room right through there. Half bath, laundry room, washer and dryer is included. This property is currently for lease for $13,000 per month. I'm gonna walk past the photographer. Master bedroom, master bath. Big shower, large walk-in closet. Okay, now let me take you upstairs. Take my shoes off. Okay, going upstairs, we have bedroom number 3. Full bedroom bath. Bedroom number 4. Full bathroom in the hallway. And then bedroom number 5.